everybody. I'm Dr. Jasmeet Ahluwalia, a bariatric surgeon, and today we'll talk about general problems that people face when they decide about undergoing a bariatric surgery. They have a lot of confusions, they have a lot of doubts, and they find it very difficult to get right answers. We'll try to make things as simple as possible for you. The topic that we're going to discuss in this video is that who should consult a bariatric surgeon, or otherwise what are the indications for a consultation with a bariatric center. So our main criteria for seeing a patient or classifying a patient to get a bariatric surgery done or to cure them with medicines or with physiotherapy, dietary modifications is based upon BMI. Don't think that whosoever enters a bariatric clinic is going to undergo a surgery. We have different modalities of treatment like diet plans, lifestyle modifications, medicines, exercise schedules, and bariatric surgery comes the last. When you are so much obese, your weight is so much that you cannot reduce it by any other means, then we advise to undergo a bariatric or a metabolic surgery. So to begin with, you should know your BMI. BMI is calculated depending upon your weight and height. You can download an app on your smartphone, on Android as well as on iOS, and by entering your weight and height you can know your BMI. Anybody who is of Asian origin and gets a BMI of 27.5 or above should see a bariatric clinic. What to do with this is to be decided by the clinic. It's not that everybody more than 27.5 needs surgery. In my clinic we follow protocol that from 27.5 to 32.5 we give you medicines, we give you lifestyle modifications, diet plans, physiotherapy, daily schedules, and with that most of the patients are able to lose significant weight. But if you exceed 32.5 BMI and you have a comorbidity includes diabetes, high blood pressure, joint pains, breathing problems, etc., the diseases which are associated with obesity. If you have any one of these plus BMI of 32.5 or above, you actually are a candidate for bariatric surgery. And if your BMI exceeds 37.5, and even if you don't have any more associated problem, you become a candidate for bariatric surgery. So these are the two main criteria: BMI of 37.5 or more and a BMI of 32.5 and more with a comorbidity indicates that now is the time that you should go for a bariatric surgery. You should see a bariatric surgeon or consult a bariatric clinic. What is to be done will be decided by the staff, by the members of the team, and definitely you can get rid of your excess weight, of your associated problems in a beautiful way. You should undergo a weight loss program as early as possible in your life so that you have more of healthier years. If you keep on waiting and wasting time, you lose your precious time. So if you see a bariatric clinic or a weight loss clinic at the age of 20, it's far better than seeing the same clinic at the age of 40 or 50. So I'll request you see a bariatric clinic or a bariatric surgeon as early in your life as possible.